We're so excited to be here dedicating the Raising Cane's Hotel Sid Reef.
So we're here in Grand Isle. We're heading to Hotel Sid for our next reef deployment here with our partnership through CCA Louisiana and Louisiana Wildlife and Fisheries. Our special donations coming from Mr. Todd Graves, and we very much thank his generosity for us being able to come out and restore this habitat in this area.
This is a unique reef because we're using a new product that's created here in Louisiana called Cajun Coral. This is a 3D printed concrete reef module designed specifically for this spot. We've pre-surveyed the spot, determined the best locations based on elevations and current flows, and we're going to put 4 clusters of these reef modules, a total of 500 of them out there, to give a lot of opportunity to the anglers in Grand Isle.
Sid Bourgeois, the owner of Joe's Landing in Lafitte, spent a couple days out there during a storm. He crawled up and his boat floated away during the storm. And this was well before cell phones and everything else. And so all the surrounding ports took the name and called it Hotel Sid.
Hotel Sid's actually an old platform that people have been fishing for years now. A couple of years ago, that platform was removed. So we've now, through this partnership with the donations of Mr. Graves, we're able to go back in and restore this habitat that was removed.
Being from Louisiana and being a fisherman and a conservationist, it's a really exciting day for me, and I'm very proud to support CCA in building this reef. You know, it's restoring a whole marine ecosystem. Countless species will live because of this rig.
So we envision as a company where we're able to come in and actually provide a place where future generations will continuously be able to come out and fish. You know, right now, a lot of the platforms around Grand Isle are being removed. So this is a prime location where we can come in today, start making this reef a better place to fish, and then be able to come back and visit for years to come in the future.